Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last recipe video of the delicious instant pot oxtail. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, we'll be showing you another recipe made in the Instant Pot because we're obsessed with our Instant Pot. We're making our delicious vegetarian kimchi soup. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need for the kimchi soup. Kimchi that is vegan or vegetarian friendly. 2 small daikon radishes. Mushroom of choice. We're using king oyster mushroom. 1 small onion. Gochujang or hot pepper paste. Vegetable broth, minced garlic, and soy sauce. Let's cook. We're going to start by cutting the daikon radish in bite-sized cubes. You don't want them too small because they might disintegrate as they cook in the Instant Pot. You will do the same with the onion. Next, we're gonna mix the content for the broth. In a measuring cup, we're gonna mix 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of gochujang, and 1 cup of veggie broth. Make sure you use low sodium broth. And you're gonna mix until everything is well incorporated. In the Instant Pot, we're gonna set it to sautéing mode. Once the Instant Pot beeps, it will give an indication that it's hot. We're gonna start to saute the onion and the mushroom. After sauteing for a minute or 2, we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Next, we're gonna add the kimchi and the daikon radish. Make sure you add the kimchi juice as well. We love making this soup in the Instant Pot because it can be made very quickly and the vegetables end up being very soft and tender. Now we're gonna add the gochujang soy sauce mixture and mix. Next, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. I'm just using the same measuring cup to wash off any of the remaining gochujang soy sauce mixture. Now we're gonna mix one last time so everything is well incorporated. In the Instant Pot, we're gonna press cancel, cover the Instant Pot properly and make sure that it's sealed. We're gonna press the manual button and make sure it indicates high pressure. And we're gonna cook this for 10 minutes. Once the cooking time is complete, the Instant Pot will beep. We will let the Instant Pot depressurize on its own for about 10 minutes. This will prevent the pressure from coming out too fast. After 10 minutes have passed, you will turn on the vent to release the remaining pressure. Once you open your Instant Pot, make sure you taste your soup. Ours was a bit tart. I just added a tablespoon of brown sugar to lessen the tartness. Now you know how to make kimchi soup in the Instant Pot. We are serving ours with a bowl of steamed brown rice. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more Instant Pot recipes, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye!